What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're taking a look at this Class C RV, the Entegra Odyssey 26M. This RV has got a rear bathroom, a Murphy bed, and a huge U-shaped dinette. Let's get to the tour. Alright, so starting on the outside of this unit, you have a gross vehicle weight of 14,500 pounds, an overall length of 28 feet 8 inches, and this RV sits on an F450, which is really nice. And underneath here, you have a generator, really huge slide out here with lots of baggage doors and a nice awning topper, as well as a ladder on the back. You also have frameless windows on this unit and an exterior TV. Alright, so the entrance into this RV is really nice. Steps to get in, a nice handle. Coming on into the inside, here is the driver area of the F450. Really nice bunk bed above with a huge window. Take a look at this U-shaped dinette. I love the U-shaped dinette in my RV. For there only being a slide out on the driver's side, it really is a nice open space. Stepping over to the kitchen, you have so much cabinet space underneath the sink, above the sink, aside the sink, and a huge sink with nice covers on top. Nice faucet and more cabinet space above. Over to the microwave in this camper, full-size residential microwave, which is really nice, and below it you have your oven with a cooktop, and then your 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Now let's head into the extended living room, I guess you could call it, because underneath this bed is a sofa that then has a Murphy bed on top. Across from it, huge TV, more storage, and a fireplace. Alright, so now in the very back of this coach is the bathroom. On the one side, you have a huge shower, and then in the center is your vanity, and underneath that vanity is the water filter for your sink. Then you have your porcelain toilet, and alongside of it is cabinet space from floor to ceiling. Alright, so here are the specs for this RV, and that is going to do it for today's tour of the Entegra Odyssey 26M. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this camper, your likes and your dislikes of it, and until next time, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and travel adventures. See you on the road.